Welcome back to Forthcoming Tech. If you're passionate about the latest tech innovations, especially in the smartphone world, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into some exciting leaks and rumors about Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S25. With a focus on battery life and performance, this could be a game changer. Stick around to find out more. Before we jump into what's new, let's take a quick look back at the Galaxy S24 series. Launched recently, this series brought several standout features: advanced image editing tools, enhanced camera functionalities, personalized wallpapers. These features set a high bar, but Samsung is already looking to surpass it with their next release. Enter the Galaxy S25. According to renowned tipster Panda Flash Pro, who has a solid track record with Samsung leaks, the Galaxy S25 will debut with a groundbreaking new technology, battery AI. This AI-driven innovation is rumored to extend battery life by up to 10% without compromising device performance. This is a significant leap forward compared to traditional battery-saving methods that often throttle performance to save power. So how exactly does battery AI work? While specific technical details are still under wraps, the core idea is that this AI will autonomously manage and halt unnecessary background processes that typically drain your battery. Imagine your phone intelligently closing apps and services that aren't in use, thereby saving power and extending battery life. This could be a game changer for heavy users and those who rely on their phones throughout the day. The implications of this technology are huge. If battery AI performs as expected, it could set a new standard for smartphone battery management. No more frantically searching for a charger or dimming your screen to save power. This feature, combined with existing battery-saving mechanisms, could make the Galaxy S25 one of the longest-lasting smartphones on a single charge. Now, let's discuss the hardware. Recent reports suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will retain Samsung's standard 5000 mAh battery and 45W fast charging. While this might seem underwhelming at first glance, the addition of battery AI could more than compensate for the lack of new hardware upgrades. With AI optimization, users could see significant improvements in battery life without needing a physically larger battery. Samsung's strategy here is clear. Instead of just beefing up hardware specs, they're focusing on smart technology to enhance user experience. This aligns with their recent emphasis on Galaxy AI features, aiming to make devices more intuitive and efficient. This approach not only sets Samsung apart from competitors, but also highlights their commitment to innovation and user satisfaction. So what does this mean for you, the consumer? If you're someone who uses your phone extensively for work, entertainment, or staying connected, the Galaxy S25 with battery AI could be a game changer. Longer battery life means less time worrying about your phone dying and more time enjoying its features. Imagine not having to carry around a power bank or constantly hunting for charging spots. This could be especially beneficial for travelers, business professionals, and gamers. When compared to other flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S25's potential battery AI gives it a unique edge. Many competitors still rely heavily on increasing battery size or implementing faster charging. While these are effective, they don't address the root issue of power consumption. Samsung's approach with AI-driven optimization could offer a more sustainable and user-friendly solution. The tech community is buzzing with excitement over these rumors. Forums and social media are filled with speculation and anticipation. Many users are hopeful that Samsung will deliver on these promises and set a new benchmark for smartphone battery life. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think battery AI will live up to the hype? What are you most excited about in the Galaxy S25? As we await official details from Samsung, the Galaxy S25's rumored features are generating a lot of excitement. If these leaks are accurate, we could be looking at a significant step forward in smartphone technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest tech news. We'll be back with more insights and reviews soon. See you in the next video. So now let's start. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, set for an early 2025 release. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates on tech news and reviews. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises enhancements and upgrades that are set to redefine premium smartphones. Let's explore what we can expect. First up, the build quality. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to feature a premium titanium build paired with Corning's glare-free glass, ensuring durability and a sleek, modern look. And yes, it retains the beloved flat design. As always, the integrated S Pen will be a hallmark of the Ultra series, perfect for productivity on the go. Plus, with an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, this phone is built to withstand the elements. Get ready to be blown away by the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, offering a versatile 120 Hz refresh rate. Expect increased brightness for better outdoor visibility, making it easier to use your phone wherever you are. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, with a potential Exynos variant for international markets. This means top-tier performance for all your needs, from gaming to multitasking. While battery life improvements are always a hot topic, space constraints might limit significant increases in size. However, we can still expect incremental enhancements in charging speed to keep you powered up throughout the day. When it comes to pricing, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is projected to start at around $1,300 for the base model, aligning with its predecessor's cost structure. Premium quality at a premium price. Mark your calendars. Samsung's tradition of unveiling their flagship series in January or February is expected to continue. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25, will likely follow this trend. Details about the camera system are still under wraps, but rumors suggest we could see a groundbreaking 1-inch 200MP ISO CEL sensor. Advanced storage technology, like Samsung's UFS 4.04 lane chip, is also on the horizon. That's all for now on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the release date. Don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts on Samsung's next big thing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe forthcoming tech and hit the bell icon for the latest rumors and leaks.